Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your price list is showing the wrong prices on your website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here at odoo.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there and it's going to open up this main page. From there in the upper right corner we can get started logging in. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From there in the upper left corner we can get started with accessing our editor menu, configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go and fix the problem if your price list is not showing the correct prices. You can see right here in the official Odoo forum, somebody already asked the same question: how to show the varying prices of product in the shop list on the website shop using price list and not a product template price. So as you can see here, we have an answer by somebody who is more knowledgeable about it. So basically, usually it's only going to be a bug. But if the problem is persistent, as you can see, somebody found a solution. You want to set any price you want with price lists on the individual prices. So then to control what price is the main product page show, set a new price on the price list, but now set the price to all variants. This is the function within the price list to set the price on all variants. So basically guys, this is the solution you want to be trying out. If you need any more help, go to the Odoo forums, find similar articles, and see step by step on how to get your specific problem fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.